Today we're going to discuss a chapter. The name of it is Reproduction in Flowering Plants. So I will be using plant here. Reproduction in plants. This reproduction in plants can be divided into two main categories. One is called asexual reproduction, and that is called sexual reproduction. See, students, asexual means what? When sexes are not needed. Sexual, when we speak, then the need of sexes. So when in case of asexual reproduction, the reproduction takes place, so what happens? One parent is sufficient. One parent is needed. One parent. Here in sexual reproduction we need two parents. Generally, these parents, the word we use in case of animals. So in case of plants, we will be using the word two organs. Reproductive organs. Now, let's have little bit of difference between these two, asexual and sexual reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, as I told you earlier, one parent needed. Here, two parents needed. Here, gametes are not formed. Gametes are not formed. Here, gametes are formed. So most important thing that we find in the sexual reproduction is the variability, variation. Issues for variation. This is one character, this is another character, this is another. So in case of asexual reproduction, there is no variation. Why no variation? Because it occurs from one parent. Why there is variation? Because two parents are contributing in the formation of an organism. Here, I need to specify it. We are using two organs. When two organs are there, definitely, in that case, what happens? We can tell the need of uniting of two units coming from the two organs. Now, let's come to another part. This asexual reproduction is relatively easy, whatever we have done in case of the class 10. So your homework is to study the asexual reproduction present in class what? 10. Name of the chapter is How do Organisms Reproduce? How do organisms reproduce? After that, if you have any doubts, then I will be clearing it. Here in the case of sexual reproduction, to discuss the sexual reproduction, what we will be emphasizing is flower. Flower is the most essential and important part of the plant which take part in the sexual reproduction. And that I told you earlier that it has two organs which are linked with the sexual reproduction, that is the androecium and what? Gynoecium. So this is related to the reproduction. You have to go for the homework. We will be having detailed discussion related to that. And in my next video, I will be going for description of a flower. So that's all from the description related to the reproduction plan. Thank you.